Commercial acne creams can come with harmful side effects. They can also become resistant due to overuse. Also, they are not cheap. If you are looking for an essential oils DIY remedy for acne, this is for you. So making a DIY acne cream at home is very easy. The first thing you need is sweet almond oil. This will be our carrier oil. Some people like to call it base oil. So our base oil is meant to dilute the essential oil that we will use. So we need about 30 ml sweet almond oil. And be very careful and cautious because this is sweet almond, not bitter almond. So as you can see, I'm using my tool to measure. It's a calibrated tool. So I need 30 ml in total. So I'm using an empty glass amber bottle, as you can see, to put my 30 ml sweet almond oil, which is our carrier oil. So in the plastic, this is the carrier oil. So to make this remedy, you need a glass bottle. You don't have to use this exact one, but don't use plastic. You can use anything else that is in glass because essential oils can corrode with plastics. So after I have measured, I need my essential oil, which is tea tree. Tea tree essential oil is the most effective essential oil for acne treatment at home. And there are many reasons why. We'll talk about that later. So I need 12 drops of tea tree essential oil for this remedy. So as you can see, this is a 30 ml almond oil. Then I put 12 drops of tea tree and then I shake. You shake properly. You can also leave aside for 30 minutes for it to synergize, but shake thoroughly so that each and every area of the mixture can come together. So more or less, your remedy is ready. You are ready, you can use it. This is a mixture of sweet almond and tea tree essential oil. Now, if you don't have tea tree essential oil, you can use clove bud. It's also an effective one when it comes to acne. Now, after you've made your home remedy, it's always wise to label your product. So I'm going to name mine Acne Remedy. And if you don't have these stickers, you can improvise. Use whatever you have at home and just stick so that you're not confused. You can know which remedy is which when you're using, and so that others can also read and see what it contains. So this is a spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can improvise as well for the DIY acne remedy. Now, if you have any question about this, you can please ask. Now, 12 drops in 30 ml carrier oil is what we call 2% dilution, or a 2% dilution rate. And this is why. This is the calculation that we do. Now, almond oil, we have used 30 ml of almond oil. And in total, we have, in 30 ml, we have around 600 drops. And this is how, because 1 ml is equal to 20 drops. 1 ml of oil is 20 drops. So 30 ml is equal to 600 drops. So the total is 600 drops. So in the 600 drops, that's the 100% of the whole remedy is equal to 100%. So if you want to get 2%, so we calculate the number of drops, and if we do this math, we find that 2% equals 12 drops of tea tree oil. That's the reason why we are using 12 drops in 30 ml. This is 12 drops in 600 total drops. I hope this is not confusing, but this is the arithmetic we tend to do when we are doing dilution rates, which are very important. And all this is meant to keep your skin safe. Remember, essential oils are harmful to the skin, but with this dilution rate, you can even do a 1% up to 3%. There are people who even do 5%, but this is considered safe from 1%, 2% to 3%. That's what I advise most. So if you're asking why we are using tea tree essential oil for acne, that's a good question. It's because it contains antimicrobial properties and anti-inflammatory properties. There are so many research papers that confirm this, and you can check that out on the internet. The reasons why we are using sweet almond oil, there are many reasons, but the first three are: number one, it is lightweight and non-comedogenic. Non-comedogenic. This means that it will not block your pores, the pores on your skin. It will not block them. Remember, there are carrier oils that are too heavy. Number two, it is rich in nutrients like vitamin E, which will soothe your skin. Also, it is an anti-inflammatory oil, so it has all the major benefits for your skin. Remember, a carrier oil also helps your skin to nourish it. It's not just the essential oil. My prayer for you is that you may be whole and well.